Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be touring a room at the Doubletree by Hilton Hotel by the Galleria in Houston, Texas. This is our first stay at a Hilton property since achieving gold status on our Hilton Honors account, and we took advantage of our free room upgrade. We booked a single king bedroom at a rate of $154.85, and we arrived early enough to get upgraded to a one-bedroom suite with 2 queen beds and a balcony plus a full kitchen. So this is our 2-room suite with 2 queen beds and a balcony. Quick overview of the room here, and we'll check out the safety features. We have the standard card on the back of the door that shows a map of the hotel, and this is us right here. And we're away from the elevators, and there's actually a wraparound suite next to us, but it's got the stairwell over there. But the room seems to be completely soundproof because we haven't heard a sound from outside of the room since we've been in here. We have a peephole here, a deadbolt lock, which is a mechanical deadbolt, and we have the latch. So the first thing we see when we walk into the room on the right is this kitchen. And this is basically a full kitchen. I have a 2-cup coffee maker. It's not in the bathroom. It's always nice. Full-size refrigerator with an ice cube tray with ice. And we've already got stuff in the fridge. We have a range, correct time on the range, 4 burners, electric, and a relatively clean oven. Full-size sink, and the sink has a disposal. Flip the switch up here, and you got an operating disposal. Give you a little thing of dishwasher soap because it has a dishwasher. Also have a microwave by Frigidaire, and the microwave is clean. The time is set. Little turntable's on its track. This here is an ice bucket. Give you a little pad to put the ice bucket on so it doesn't scratch the microwave. Now the drawers in here are mostly empty. Cabinet's empty. But for kitchen utensils you call extension 37 and they'll bring them up to you. Oh wait, we actually have some utensils though. We have knives, forks, and spoons. It's a couple of each. Garbage can down here. This little drawer down here is empty. Nothing under the sink except the disposal. And then in the upper cabinets we have a breaker panel, a couple coffee mugs, a few plates and bowls. Oh, by the way, this range hood has a working fan and another empty cabinet up top. So moving into the living room, a nice granite top table, 3 chairs, some artwork on the wall here, hanging lamp here, and of course, as just about every hotel room has, this is the mystery switch. I don't know what this does, can't figure it out. It's probably turning a light on and off in somebody else's room. This room here is a door to the adjoining suite next door, which of course is locked from the other side, so we can't see what's in there. This nice big television, I believe it's a 52-inch. This little table here, everything's got a granite top. Whoa, this is broken, but this is where the cable for the TV runs. This little TV stand is in pretty rough shape. Particle board broken, and actually it looks like this piece has even been replaced because it doesn't have the same finish as the rest of it. But really, I mean, you can't complain too much. This is a nice hotel and the furniture's pretty nice. Desk has a drawer. We have 2 power outlets here, and this lamp has 2 separate bulbs in it. Nice leather or pleather chair. We have places to sit, a couch, coffee table. WhereTraveler.com book about Houston. And this is a pull-out couch, so this actually could sleep a couple of people. Now this right here is not just a window. This is a balcony. And outside on the balcony, 23 floors up, we get a view of Houston. This is what we see from up here at night. There are 3 floors above us. We started out on the 24th floor, but now that we're Hilton Gold members, which is the reason why we always stay in Hilton properties, we finally made Hilton Gold, so we get a free upgrade every time we check into any Hilton property, subject to availability. So this was our upgrade. We got upgraded from a king room to this suite with a balcony. This thing's a little bit difficult to latch. There we go. So now we're going to move on into the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. Now we did get 2 queen beds this time. That was the one drawback to our upgrade, was that instead of getting 1 king, we got 2 queens, but who cares? We got a nice balcony. Can't complain about a balcony. Another big 52-inch TV in here. Big chair. Little table. Everything is pretty well lit in here. Got 1 table in between the beds. And the lamp has a power outlet on each side. The only problem with the 2 beds is there should be a table on each side of the other side of the bed. So if there's 2 people in the bed, they can both plug in the their phones and stuff. And of course, being a Doubletree, we got our cookies when we checked in. They also gave us a couple bottles of water. That doesn't open. Lots of empty drawers here. And Gideon's Bible, of course. No phone book, though. I'm always disappointed when there's no phone book. Not that I would ever use a phone book for any reason, but a little notepad here with some information about making phone calls within the hotel and outside of the hotel. Breakfast menu. And a thing encouraging you to not waste their water by getting your linens cleaned every day. Throw your towels on the floor if you want them washed. Oh, and of course the clock, radio, telephone. And we step in here, a big full-length mirror, couple of luggage racks, and this thing here where you can hang stuff up, little bench type thing, and a safe. And I've never seen a safe like this. Program your 4-digit code and it opens like a drawer, and it's got a light in it. And instructions in a bunch of different languages that aren't English. Oh, here's English and French and Russian. This thing is turned sideways. There we go. So that's an interesting little safe there. And a big closet with an ironing board, iron, extra bedding, hangers, laundry bag. And finally into the bathroom. Big fluorescent lights on either side of the mirror. That is some bath soap, more bath soap, shampoo, body lotion, and conditioner, a couple of glasses, Kleenex box, hot and cold running water, toilet, kind of slow to flush, but it flushes. Got the curved shower curtain rod, which is coming loose, or it looks like it's coming loose. The only thing I don't like about these things is they tend to sag. 3 big bath towels up on the rack. I call this a headache rack because if you come into the shower from this side of the curtain, you bust your head on it. You're not expecting it to be there. And it looks like a nice shower head. Let's check that out and see how that works out. Like a pretty good spray. It's got some adjustments. Not really sure. Doesn't do like a massage function or anything. It just goes from a dribble to a spray. So we'll finish up with the view out the window on this side. I haven't even looked out this window. It should be the same as the balcony, but we always look out the window. And that's what we see looking out the window. And then we'll turn on some lights. That's a little bit better. But why look at this view through this dirty glass when we can go out on the balcony? Now the view is completely unobstructed by dirty glass, and this is what we see. We're 23 stories up. It's a little hazy out here in Houston. not a very big balcony, but you could put a couple of chairs out here and just sit out here and listen to the sound of the city and breathe the somewhat fresh air. I don't know if that haze is smog, but seems like fresh air out here, so no complaints there. So this is where we end our room tour. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.